Hey, it's Saturday morning and just figured maybe I'll give you guys a little shop tour, show you what we got going on around here. It's been pretty busy lately, so show you what we got. Check it out. This here is an M11 Cummins that we're working on. We're gonna obviously rebuild everything. We got a strip tube air block, it's over there. Crank out of it, there's the camshaft, the head, pistons, and rods, and all the other goodies. Get over there in a minute. We got a Allison out of a International that the starter ring gear has some broken teeth on it. I don't know where exactly it is, but some of these teeth are broke off, so we were able to get the ring gear off. We got a new one coming. Get that back on, put that back in, and then that should be fixed. Over here we got the M11 block on the stand, all stripped down, starting to clean that up. We got a 1mm that spun 2 rod bearings. So crank was bad. Ended up buying this MBN block and crank. And we're gonna steal the crank and rods out of this to rebuild the 1mm. But the 1mm crank has a angled gear. I can show you. So this gear is angled on the older engines. So anything pre like 2000, 6NZ and older has angled gear, and then MBN's a 2004, so that's a straight gear. So we just have to replace this bull gear so that matches. And the oil pump gear, no big deal. We have extra ones of those. And then the water pump is different, but we're gonna replace that. So we'll just get the newer style water pump, replace those 2 gears that I have extra. And then we can run this newer style crank in the older block, rebuild that. The 1mm is the 600 version of like the 2WS or 1LWs, 3406E, 16 liter. And then there's some pistons out of the, I believe, the MBN. And this one here is in for some diagnostics. I got the valve cover off and trying to diagnose a misfire, and it's just not running right. So working on swapping 2 injectors, and we'll try to figure out what's going on with that one. Still working on it. Here's a bunch of parts all cleaned up for the 1mm job that's in the other bay. Already ran all these through the parts washer and got everything cleaned up, checked out. So once we get back on that one, we can, that's the parts washer there. It's, you know, we can start putting that back together. It's also the camshaft out of that truck. It's, you know, we kind of started on that in this bay, and then it got moved to that bay, shuffling stuff around. This one's a Max Force. We just did a ton of work to this thing, so it had tons of exhaust leaks. We had to take all this off and fix all the exhaust leaks. Some oil leaks back up in there too, we took care of on this side. And then on the other side, we just put a brand new fuel pump, high pressure pump back there. These things are a nightmare to work on. You just got to take so much stuff out of your way. Super time consuming, but yeah, we got a new fuel pump in there. We had to reseal some leaks, some oil leaks on the back too, air compressor and stuff. Yeah, that's what we got going on here at the shop. Pretty busy. Got a couple more outside that we're working on diagnosing. And I mean, just these engine jobs alone are gonna keep us pretty busy. So yeah, that's about it for now. I'll keep you guys updated on these engines and how they come together. See you.